Welcome viewers. Today I am going to present question and answers for chapter 2 business communication. As usual, the direction is choose the best answer. Question number 1. What are the two main types of communication in organization? A. Verbal and non-verbal. B. Internal and external. C. Upward and downward. D. Horizontal and vertical. The two main types of communication in organization. So the basic organization. So it's internal and external. Choice B. Question number 2. Which of the following is an example of internal communication? A. Business letter. B. Advertisement. C. Memos. D. Press release. The answer for question number 2 is C. Memos. Memo. Question number 3. What is the primary function of downward communication? A. Sending message from subordinate to supervisors. B. Communicating among colleagues at the same level. C. Transmitting information from managers to subordinates. D. Exchanging message across different work units. Answer for question number 3 is C. Transmitting information from the managers to subordinates. Question number 4. Which communication type involves body gestures, facial expressions, and eye contact? A. Verbal communication. B. Non-verbal communication. C. Written communication. D. Internal communication. The answer for question number 4 is B. Non-verbal communication. Question number 5. What is the most predominant grapevine communication pattern? A. Single stand. B. Gossip chain. C. Probability chain. D. Cluster chain. The answer for question number 5 is D. Cluster chain. Question number 6. How does external communication impact an organization? A. It increases employees' retention. B. It strengthens the company's public image. C. It reduces internal misunderstanding. D. It replaces internal meeting. The answer for question number 6 is it strengthens the company's public image. Question number 7. Why is non-verbal communication sometimes more effective than verbal communication? A. It is always more reliable than spoken words. B. It allows people to hide their true emotion. C. It can reinforce or contradict a spoken message. D. It is independent of cultural difference. The answer for question number 7 is it reinforces or contradicts a spoken message. Question number 8. Which of the following best describes horizontal communication? A. It flows from top management to employees. B. It involves interaction between employees at the same level. C. It is a formal type of communication. D. It only occurred in large organization. The answer for question number 8 is B. It involves interaction between employees at the same level. Question number 9. What is the main difference between written and oral communication? A. Written communication is more interactive. B. Oral communication is always formal. C. Written communication is permanent and documented. D. Oral communication is more structured. The answer for question number 9 is C. Written communication is permanent and documented. Question number 10. How can grapevine communication benefit an organization? A. By spreading rumor among employees. B. By helping to contradict managers' policy. C. By supplementing formal communication channels. D. By encouraging employees to ignore official messages. The answer for question number 10 is C. By supplementing formal communication channel. Question number 11. If a company wanted to improve downward communication, what should they focus on? A. Encourage employees' feedback. B. Using more memos and manuals. C. Reducing the number of communication channels. D. Ignoring employees' suggestions. The answer for question number 11 is A. Encouraging employees' feedback. Question number 12. An employee suggests a new way to manage work shifts to their supervisor. This is an example of A. Downward communication. B. Upward communication. C. Horizontal communication. D. Non-verbal communication. The answer for question number 12 is B. Upward communication. Question number 13. If an organization faces frequent misunderstandings in its written communication, what action should it take? A. Encourage more face-to-face discussions. B. Increase the use of memos. C. Rely more on emails. D. Minimize employees' feedback. The answer for question number 13 is A. Encourage more face-to-face discussion. Question number 14. A manager wanted to motivate employees using indoctrination. What should they do? A. Explain company's planning procedure. B. Give employee feedback on their performance. C. Reinforce the company's mission and goals. D. Provide job instruction. The answer for question number 14 is C. Reinforce the company's mission and goals. Question number 15. If a company wanted to prevent distortion in upward communication, what should it do? A. Encourage employees to only share good news. C. Create an open door policy and reward honest feedback. C. Limit employees' access to senior management. D. Use more policy manual. The answer for question number 15 is B. Create an open door policy and reward honest feedback. Question number 16. How does specialization hinder horizontal communication? A. Employees focus only on their own tasks and ignore others. B. It makes employees more competitive. C. It encourages unnecessary meetings. D. It increases workplace friendships. The answer for question number 16 is A. Employees focuses only on their own tasks and ignore others. Question number 17. What is the major problem with downward communication? A. Employees do not trust their manager. B. Managers assume messages are received and understood. C. There is too much face-to-face interaction. D. Employees refuse to follow instructions. The answer for question number 17 is B. Managers assume messages are received and understood. Question number 18. In which situation is diagonal communication most useful? A. When departments need to coordinate work. B. When supervisors need to give orders to employees. C. When employees need to share personal concerns. D. When employees need to report grapevine. The answer for question number 18 is A. When departments need to coordinate works. Question number 19. A company wants to enhance rapid communication to improve working. Which should it done? A. Discourage informal discussion. B. Use open and structured communication across departments. C. Limit face-to-face interactions. D. Encourage only formal written communication. The answer for question number 19 is B. Use open and structured communication across departments. Question number 20. You are designing a new communication system for a multinational company. Which of the following strategy would you use to ensure effective communication across various levels? A. Rely entirely on written memo for communication. B. Eliminate informal communication to reduce rumors. C. Combine formal and informal channel for balanced approach. D. Use only verbal communication to increase clarity. The answer for question number 20 is C. Combine formal and informal communication for a balanced approach. Okay, this is all about for today. Thank you viewers for attending this presentation.